Hello everyone. This video will show how to easily create your catalogs within ShopWindow. First off, click on Catalogs link on the left menu to access the catalog section. Once there, let's create a new catalog that will contain your products. You will be asked about what social network you want to use, which payment methods you want to allow, and what currency prices will be in. This catalog will contain sneakers, so name it appropriately, for instance with collection name. Once set, you can edit the catalog clicking over the photo icon in the middle of the container. To create the products, you will create what is called quick offers within ShopWindow. Each quick offer will have shipping options, product options, stock amount, specific price, and personal thank you message for the customers. Remember that the blue lifesaver icon is there in case you need further support to explain any part of the process. Once done, just hit next button. After setting up the options, you will be presented with the exact web view your customer will see when clicking the offer on the social network. Here's where you make your offer attractive, including title, heading, short description, appealing photo, and the pay button with the price. Remember filling all the fields there are to make your web views as attractive as possible. Once again, hit next button when ready. Finally, you will include a customized thank you text message. This is a great opportunity to personalize your catalog while being informative, so type in something you know your customers will love. Remember, this will be a text message, not an email. Keep it short and nice, and include some emojis if you want. One last time, hit next button. And that's all, folks. Your product is now ready to sell anywhere you place that link over there. Just click on the link and it will be copied on your clipboard, ready to be pasted anywhere where you want to sell your products. For your reference, you should name the quick offer with a descriptive name. Now, you will want to enter several products, right? It will be cumbersome to do this process all over again for every single product, so instead you can just clone the product as many times as you want and just modify the changing parts for each one. This will enable you having your products ready in a fraction of the time you would usually need. Similarly, you can clone entire catalogs, so you just need to adjust the details for each of them. Your catalogs will look sharp, and it should not take long until you have them ready. That's pretty much it. In the next video, we will show you how to place your catalogs in your social posts so your audience can access them.